Well, hello and welcome. How's everybody doing? I hope you're having a great summer. These are the September updates for It's Only Food. All right, our seasoning shop is now on the website. It's over on Etsy as well, but we have our seasonings here on the website to make it easier for everybody. You just go ahead and scroll down. You can see all the beautiful seasonings. You click that, you can add it to your cart, or you can look at all the different features of the products right there. Everything is free shipping right now. I want to mention that. Everything on both Etsy and on the website here, all the seasonings and all the products are free shipping. All of our recipes are now printable. On the tabs that you see up above, you've got the recipe tab. So that is, there's a window that opens up when you hit the recipe, and then it will scroll down a little bit. You'll see right here, you'll see that little icon there with the printer. You will be able to print it off, the recipe off, and you can also share and leave a comment if you wish on these recipes as well. We went to Oregon to go see my dad, and we of course went down to the Oregon coast for a couple of days, and we had a condo there and it had a kitchen, so of course I had to do a show. I took our favorite, I looked up crab cakes. I was going to do crab cakes, but we got there and we saw the price was insane. I switched gears and made something else, and you can see that video right down below underneath me there. I'm going to be doing a lot more instructional videos, and what I mean by that is I'm going to be doing more videos on process and technique, and what I mean by that is like mise en place, purchasing, inventory, how to stay organized. Still going to be doing cooking videos, but not all the time. I'm also taking a little bit of break, as I always do every year at the holidays, so I can start writing my book, my next book. So still going to have a cooking video or two out there. All right, I hope everybody has a fantastic rest of their summer, and I will see you next month. Thanks for all your love and support. Take care of yourselves, and don't forget, if you want to subscribe to my show, click that video link icon right above my giant head. Have a wonderful rest of your summer. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.